Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to play the piano accompaniment of Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas with a Christmas twist at the end. This Christmas classic has an intermediate difficulty level. Here's middle C, and we'll be learning this piece in the key of C major, but there will be a number of black notes used. We'll start by learning a chord pattern that is used a number of times in the song. On the right hand, we'll play G, C, and E together. We'll play this chord twice. Next, we'll play F, A, and C together. We'll play this chord twice as well. On the left hand, we'll play C, A, D, or you can play D octaves, and then G. Playing with hands together, we are playing C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, and F over G. I recommend playing the song with this rhythm. After F over G, you have the option to play G major with G on the left hand and G and B together on the right hand. And this chord pattern is used a number of times in the song, which will cover about 40% of the song. We'll play this chord pattern twice in the beginning of the song. C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, F over G, C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, F over G. Next we have C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, and then we'll play G major. Next we have E major. On the left, we have E octaves, and on the right, we have A flat, B, and E played together. Our next chord is A7 with A on the left, and G, D flat, and E played together on the right. Then D minor 7, and F over G. Let's go through that section with lyrics. C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, G, E, A7, D minor 7, F over G. Next, we'll play our first chord pattern twice. C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, F over G. C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, F over G. Then we have C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, E major. Next chord is A minor 7, which we had learned earlier. Then we have G minor 7 chord with G on the left and F, B flat, and D played together on the right, and C major. Let's go through that section with lyrics. C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, E major, A minor 7, 7, and C major. Next we have F major 7 with F octaves on the left, and A, C, and E played together on the right. played together on the right. Then we have E minor 7 chord with E octaves on the left, and G, B, and D on the right. Next we have E flat minor 7, and then D minor 7 chord. Let's break that down. First we have E minor 7 chord, then we'll shift all our fingers down one semitone to play E flat on the left, and G flat, B flat, and D flat on the right to give us E flat minor 7. And then D minor 7, which we had learned earlier. Now let's go through that with lyrics. F major 7, F minor 7, E minor 7, E flat minor 7, D minor 7, and then F over G. Then we have C7 with C on the left, and E, G, and B together on the right. Let's go through that entire chord pattern with lyrics. F major 7, F minor 7, E minor 7, E flat minor 7, D minor 7, F over G, C7. Next we have G flat minor 7 flat 5 with G flat on the left, and A, C, and E together on the right. E flat diminished 7 with E flat on the left, and A and C together on the right. G flat minor 7 flat 5, E flat diminished 7, and E minor 7. Then E flat augmented with E flat on the left, and G and B together on the right. Next we have G major. So E flat minor 7, E flat augmented, and G major. D major with D on the left, and G flat, A, and D on the right. With lyrics, we have G flat minor 7 flat 5, E flat diminished 7, E minor 7, E flat augmented, G major, D major, F over G, and G major. Next we'll play our first chord pattern twice. C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, F over G, C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, F over G. Next we have C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, E major, A minor 7, G minor 7, and C major. Next we have F major 7 with F on the left, and A, C, and E together on the right. Next we just played E with our left hand, and D minor 7 with D octaves on the left, and F, A, and C together on the right. F over G, G major, Let's go through the chords in that section with lyrics. C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, E major, A minor 7, G minor 7, C major, F major 7, and E as a passing note, D minor 7, F over G. Next we'll play our first chord pattern with an optional passing note. Finally, we'll play F diminished 7th over G with G on our left and F, A flat, B, and D on our right. For our outro, we can play this Christmas ending. For a full tutorial on this ending, check out the description and comments for links below. To add a jazzy final chord, play any random notes on the G major scale with your right hand while you play C octaves on your left. Still have questions about this tutorial? Leave your comments below.